At DIY on the House, we love before and after transformations. Today we're going to show you a time-lapse makeover of our garage.
We added on our garage over 20 years ago, but we left it unfinished. But as we could afford it over the years, we added a few pieces of drywall here and there, but still never fully finished it. But we finally did last weekend.
Stay tuned to the end of the video to see how much it costs and ways we save money.
The total cost of this project was roughly $325. It took us 2 days. We ended up taping and texturing, we painted the walls, we added lighting, we painted the doors and trim work, but it really feels like more than a $325 transformation.
Yeah. The biggest savings is the DIY part. Our labor is obviously free. And if we would have hired it, it would have been over $3,000.
The physical savings that we did is we got UPS paint from Home Depot, and UPS paint is just that paint that got returned that it was the wrong color from someone else, but it turned out to be the perfect color for us.
Yeah.
We're like, $30, that's the perfect color.
$30 is the right color.
$100, no, we're good with the $30,
Yeah.
but it turned out great. We got Walmart lights that were $20 each. And then the roll down shade was also from Home Depot, $18, and that was to conceal our storage shelf.
So we hope you really enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, we're here to help you. Put them in the comments down below, subscribe, and check back often for more DIY videos.
See,
It was a great, be a little bit more personal. It was a fun project, and get some bait in there. Okay.